What's up? What's up? It's your girl Queen. Back with another, back with another video. Yo. So, let's just jump into it. I'm gonna clean my tub, which is filthy and dirty. And I got old school stuff on it. So, don't be judging me, but I am cleaning my tub. So, if you don't use that old school Ajax, then I don't know what to tell you. Because right now, I'm just basing it down, with all the good chemicals. And if you're an asthmatic, you shouldn't be using these type of chemicals. I like this because it gets the job done. You hear me? Right. Word. So, I want to clean my tub, and I'm going to wash my shower curtain because I had this for a long time because I really love elephants. But right now, the chemicals are really, really strong. So if you don't use this, I kind of use this. And I use this old school stuff. See? It's going to get the job clean. So, yeah. Tiana! Come put that stuff back. So, right now, I'm just going to clean my bathroom because I haven't put that stuff back up. I haven't had a chance to physically clean up in my bathroom. My kids are coming in here and taking a bath. And you should clean your tub every day, So, I don't know how you guys clean and what you use. And what you use. But you should. This stuff is strong. So, I cannot let my kids hold that right there. Put it up there. Put that up. Put that up. Clean with this. So y'all like this, AJ. Okay.
That's
we just leave it. So now I'm vlogging, so you gotta wait a minute. Okay, I'll let you say.
Comment.
Alright, so right now I'm just gonna start cleaning the tub. And yes, I'm sitting. But I'm gonna get up and clean it the correct way. Because this tub is dirty. So, I'm gonna run a little bit of water because you need water when you clean it. Chemical is so strong, y'all. So, as I get ready to clean, don't judge me now. You got some judgmental people out there, but clean up. And if you got kids, make their ass clean up too. Because some people don't make their kids clean up. They just, that's for other people to do that shit. Oh, make their ass clean up. It's that old school cleaning. And y'all know I have these whirls because I have seizures sometimes and my legs get messed up. I don't know if y'all knew that, but now you know. You gotta clean it up really, really good. My bad, y'all. Okay. Hold on. We'll do it like that so y'all can see me. But yeah, y'all should be cleaning your tub out. Because dirty, nasty, filthy. You want to clean your tub. So, yeah, it was kind of dirty, but good. I'm gonna clean that. My flow, too, my toilet, and all that. So I kind of try to clean the floor right on the side of the toilet. So that shit can tend to be dirty too. You know? Yeah, and all that shit. You got a clean tub. Now, I'm just gonna let the water run. Some people try to clean their stuff different. Now I'm just rinsing it. As you guys see, I hope you know how to clean the bathroom, but some people in real life don't know how to clean up. So right now, I just want pitch hot water to hit this. Nothing but hot water. And it's gonna hit the wall. As you see, it's gonna clean it. have it. Cleaning my tub. It's your girl Queen. Back with another video trying to clean her tub. Oh man. Clean up behind yourself. Keep your bathroom clean. It's very important. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Turn on that notification. Tell me what you're thinking. And yeah, this is cleaning the bathroom. All right, bye. Queen, love you.